Stable Diffusion img2img. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your browser and type StableDiffusionWeb.com in the address bar. Then press Enter to visit the site. Once the home page appears, look at the top right corner of the screen and click the button labeled Get Started to continue. After the page loads, navigate to the available options and select the Image to Image tab to begin working with an existing picture. When the tab opens, upload the image you want to edit by clicking the Upload option and selecting the file from your device. After your image is uploaded successfully, move to the text box provided and type the specific part you want to change in the prompt field so the system knows what to modify. Next, scroll to the Style settings and choose your preferred style from the available options so the generated image matches the look you want. If there are any details or elements you do not want included in the result, fill them in under the negative prompt section to prevent them from appearing. Finally, allow the system to process your request and then view and compare the two images side by side.